Okay, now we're live on YouTube. Decent. Brev. All right, let's knock it up like this. I can't even hear, bro. Okay, let me restart. Let me completely restart. Let me completely restart it. 1 second here. Else is cooked. I'm gonna completely restart the stream. Okay. Hopefully this works now. Can you guys hear me now? Hopefully. What's up, Jet? What's up, regular show? Okay, I'm going to turn on my camera here. I can hear you now. Dude, why does Discord suck ass, bro? Now I can see you. Okay, good. What's up, regular show? Over on YouTube, what's up? My jits. Sorry. Dude, what the fuck? Why is actually Discord so garbage? I'm sorry, fellas. Sorry about that. Super cooked. I don't know what its issue is. Tresley Wade's requested to speak. Bruh, no. Anyway, fellas, I just want to show you the project that I'm working on. It's not a project, it's a fucking video, okay? Holy shit, we're very close to finishing it. First, we're going to get everything ready in terms of trading and stuff. Here, hold on. Forex Factory. But while we're waiting for that, I'll show you guys the video. It's taken me so fucking long to... It's taken me so long just to get the videos over, to transfer the videos. Because every time I've transferred the videos, it hasn't been in 4K, which is so annoying. Like, that's why I recorded, is because my phone was 4K, but yeah, jets. Okay, well, first off, we're actually going to take a look at Forex Factory, Monday, March 16th. Can't wait for the vid. It's going to be really good. Man, I want to say it's my best video yet. Best video yet. Day in the life. What's good? Okay, so like, look at how much we've edited so far. And this is an adjustment clip. So I recorded in HDR, which I had no clue what that even did. And so I had to adjust all of the clips because all of the fucking footage looked like it was printed on sandpaper. So we got it fixed. It looks 1 million times better now. Now I just have to focus on the audio because it sounds a little shit sometimes. When are you posting? I'm going to be posting probably today or tomorrow morning. Discord can't see your screen. Okay, I'll share my screen. But I will be, I'll be posting either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Here, I'll show Discord as well. Here, 1 sec. Oh, I deleted it, but I closed the window. Anyway. Oh. Why is there 2 Tresley Wade? Speak now or forever hold your peace. So cooked. So we had news at 6:30 today. Yeah, fellas. Okay, well, before we get started, I want to let you guys know that we're still doing the giveaway with... We're doing a giveaway with Lucid Trades. With Lucid Trading, pardon me. We're giving away 2 accounts, one 50K and one 25K. And how to enter both is, how to enter the 50K is use code WesleyTrades, screenshot the referral number, which will be, it will be in your emailed receipt in the top left corner. Send that to me personally, and I will put you into the draw for the 50K account. Secondly, the 25K account, we're doing an edit entry system. So over on Discord, underneath the announcements tab, there's going to be an edit entries spot, a nice little chat. You can post your entries there. And honestly, we only have 1 entry so far, so odds are looking pretty decent. Anything else to mention? I don't think so. Yeah, I think it's just game time today, fellas. Let's go. Where do you look for news on the day? I get that at forexfactory.com. That's my news spot. Okay, fellas, here we go. I make some edits, but they're too big to send on Discord. Cooked. Okay, well, let's get started, as it is already 7:26. What's up, Glitchy? How you doing, bro? All right, so weekly sweep. I'm honestly, weekly's been up there for so long. This new candle's just going to be a day old. So we're looking at where we are here. We're still in this down leg. 4 hour, we have not seen a break to the upside. 1 hour, we haven't really seen a break to the upside either. Just retraces. So yeah, we inverse this here. Possibly heading towards this daily fair value gap as a draw. Decent. So everything's relatively bearish, except for the 1 hour. I'd say it finally started to inverse something here. Tresley Wade's the second has been cleared. Yo, discarded. Wes, do I send over the order number? I've only seen that in my email receipts. Yes, just send a picture of your email receipt. There's been a few that have been sent over to me, and it's maybe just in a different spot for you, whether it's on your computer or phone. But yeah, it's an order number starting in 1, I believe. We'll get more into that in a bit here. 15 minute, like, see, this is bullish for show. We have new week open. New week open, fills gap, rips to the upside. See what happens. Hamza, what's up, bro? How you doing? All right, so we're gonna mark out session liquidity starting at 1800 right here. So our Asia session low right here. And then starting at 2 is the time change way back when. It was only a few weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago only. Here. And then Asia session, or pardon me, London session high also up there. We're going to go to hourly. This is another big draw. This is also a daily fair value gap. So we'll keep that in mind. Pretty big draw up here. We're closer to our London session highs. So obviously we'll have more of a bias to that there. What do you trade? I trade breakouts. I trade continuations. So kind of the same thing as breakouts, I would say. But yeah, I love the way I trade. Deece. Okay, fellas, we got market open here in 1 minute. In 5 seconds. Hello, Wes, man. What's up? Souptopia Trades. How you doing? How you doing, Jet? Yo, Discord. Do you guys see something also behind me, bro? Discord and YouTube. Do you guys see something behind me? We fucking got Kirby, bro. Where's Santa when we need him? Where's Santa when we need him? That guy'd be bouncing off walls right now seeing that. Kirby. Are we doing giveaways? Question mark. Yes, we are. We're doing a giveaway, I think, for this whole week with Lucid Trading. Pardon me. with Lucid Trading. So what we're doing, we're giving away a 50K and a 25K account. I'll say it one more time and then I'll direct guys to the Discord to see how to enter. But number one, to gain entries to the 50K account, all you have to do is use code WesleyTrades when purchasing a Lucid Trading account. You got to then screenshot your receipt, send it to me over on Discord or Instagram DMs, and then I'll personally add you to a name wheel. Number two, for the 25K account, we're doing an edit entry system. So any sort of trading edit that you have, it has to be trading related, right? And it does not have to be about me. It can be about anyone else, and we'll react to them, I think, next week on Monday. So yeah, we're giving away 2 accounts, and then after Lucid Trading, after this giveaway, we'll give it a little bit, and then we will give away 4 accounts after that. So Lucid Trading, you guys are G's. Okay, now I'll just direct you guys to Discord if people ask. W giveaway, let's go. Just sent it. Dees. Did you send it to me over on what? Discord or Instagram? Fuck YouTube. Yeah. Dick sword? Okay. Yeah. So cooked. But yeah, the luck is now plus 8,000% with Kirby. I got it as a birthday gift, bro. How sick is that? What a birthday gift. Super D's. Okay, so we're taking London session high relatively fast. That's okay. D's. Loki entered a long on market open. I see too many fair value gaps not taken. Not to take that. Plus 200 right now, especially respective 4-hour FVG. D's. Super D's. London session high taken. So we have New York market open right here. This is another draw. A lot of volume under there. We sweeping Friday highs. D's. Yeah, what's previous day high? Right there. It's also start of a daily fair value gap. What? Yes, Jets. Yo, I actually got so much footage on my phone, which, man, if you guys would not have told me that I could have swapped my phone over to 4K, I don't think I would have even recorded that. I went from being up 600 to down 600. Yo, that is okay, bro. Risk management. It's okay. I'm still working on risk management personally as well. It's okay, dude. It happens. Psychology, bro. It's the hardest part of fucking trading. It's the hardest part about not going crazy. It's the hardest part about it. Anything. It's the way you think. Everyone gets in the same situations though. I was talking about this a little bit on some cut footage. Holy fuck, that I didn't include in the video. But I was talking about, like, everyone's gonna experience the same things. The only thing that sets us apart is how we react from whatever happens. Like, I'm sure you know some people in your life that something will happen to them and they're like, oh, why me, bro? Why me? Right? And then I'm sure you know some people that, like, they could get fucking a bullet through the thigh and they're like, damn, bro, we got to go to the hospital. That's all right, dude. When are we going to get out of here? I got to trade tomorrow. Okay, that's a little bit of an extreme example, but you guys know what I mean. Right? Panda Lim, what's up, bro? What's up, Jit? Same, I was on Top Step, past the eval, and the funded was up 1.4K. Need 2 days to get a payout and lose it all. Yeah. Everyone fucking deals with greed whenever they trade for show. Got me smiling on my phone and shit, bro. Risk management is the best thing to learn. It's the hardest thing to learn. But yes, absolutely the best thing as well. Where do you guys get money to buy evals though? I work a full-time job to be able to pay for everything. Content creation, trading. Like, bro. Trading's hard. You gotta have your life together outside of trading as well. Yo, what the fuck? I was looking. Oh my god. I had a filter on my face that made me fat, bro. Hello, fellers. Bateman, bro. What's up, dude? What's your occupation? I'm a server, bro. I'm a fucking server at a restaurant. He's fellas, but with a hard R. Okay. Prices edging my take profit. I might tweak. Fellers. What's your take profit? What you call me? Huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Misunderstanding, bro. Misunderstanding. Okay, we still haven't created a fair value gap on market open. How much have we moved here? 100 points? I'm not a fan of just 100 points. Yo, what the fuck? How did you get this Kirby emoji? Okay, bro. We need that. We need that. I'm just better. Okay, we need that. I don't know who had it. I don't know who has it. But we're stealing that shit. TGR Bootcamp or ICT 2022 as a beginner? Shit, I don't know. I watched like 6 episodes of the TGR Bootcamp and I have not watched ICT. I don't know. Like, I don't know. They both yap either or. Did you guys, oh my god, did you guys see the I'm in Trades video? Anybody else see that? Dude, it's crazy. Bro, what a vid from Iman. Insane. Watch the vids I sent in general chat. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading futures for, this would be 10 months. And I've been trading in total, been in trading space, like crypto, Forex, all that other shit for 6 years. So I've been in the trading space for 6 years and started content and started trading futures 10 months ago. So I've taken one payout so far, and that was January. We're about to take another one here. Fucking, we're gonna dial in. We're dialed in, actually. TJR done for? Dude, it's insane. I was like, man, I watched the video, instantly tuned in to his kick stream, like his 24-hour stream, to see if there were people like, oh, check it out, check it out, check it out. Or telling Timmy or TJR to look at the video. Everyone is. It's insane. Everyone is. It's cooked. Like, there's no way he wasn't reading chat and just like being like, damn, bro. These people are catching on. But any attention is good attention, bro. Like, especially when he's in that kind of fucking position. Ridiculous. Like, in the video, there was actually a ton of really good points of how he just kind of benefits off of having this like LARP news over him compared to if he wasn't. You know what I mean? The one where he's talking about TJR? Yes, sir. The view count hit 1,000. It fell off last night on a stream. That's cooked. That's all right though. I mean, when I was taking a look at it, it was always at like 8,000. What happened? I don't watch people like that. Did I suggest you go check it out? It's definitely like it's, I wouldn't say it's eye-opening, but like I'd say it's pretty cool. I always like documentary style videos like that. It's kind of cool. But yeah, cooked. Drawing a 15-minute high here. CE tap. Low time frame SMT. We do sweep London session liquidity though, so we're going to need a continuation, meaning a close up here, which would not give us the best risk reward. What's the vid called? Just search up I'm in trading. So I'm in trading. Search up that. It's cooked. I thought it was a good watch personally. And like I'm a fan of TJR. Like I'll say it. I feel like there's a good amount of content creators that kind of started around the time that I did, that like there was only one bigger like relative trader / content creator out there. 24 people in Discord. What's up, everyone? Deece. I saw that he used to ask for signals in 2021, but let's be honest, almost everyone in the beginning were looking for signals. Dude, when I was in high school, my grade 12 year, and I first got introduced to like the crypto space, I was in a crypto signal Discord, and I was fucking like every day, bro. I was in there. I feel like that's kind of, there's so many paths to get to where I am today, or to get where you guys are today, that honestly, like none of them are wrong. If I'm gonna be honest, like asking for signals in a Discord, so many people go through that to realize that, okay, this isn't sustainable. You know what I'm saying? So after that, it's like, all right, do I quit, or do I put in the time to actually fucking learn what I'm doing? You know what I mean? At West, why did you send me that photo from your birthday party, bruh? Yo, what birthday party? Chat. Everyone in this chat gonna make it in trading W chat. Let's go. Yes, sir. What the fuck is that, bro? What is this? What is on my, get that off, bro? That's crazy. What the fuck? Yo, Discord chat's crazy, bro. Insane. So cooked. You guys are fucked. Okay, 5-minute fair value gaps being respected. These, we don't get a close through it, possibly. I don't know, we got 10 seconds left here. But yeah, day in the life video is just about done, you guys. I just have to add, well, I have to do quite a bit of things still, but it's not going to take nearly as long. The longest part's already done, transferring the videos, so. Damn, boys. Damn. Bro, find you a person that hypes you up in the morning. Find you a person that hypes you up in the morning. Let's go. Let's go, Naz. Jarm. Are you going to the daily fair value gap H? Or relative to? Around there. I believe that's where my draw on liquidity is for today. Is this daily fair value gap? Really like where it's sitting at. It's also previous day high or previous day of the week. This 4-hour chart here, we would like to see a close above this candle, which would be these. What's up, everyone? What's up, Amin? How you doing? How you doing, Jit? Nice. Price just hit my take profit after hitting my trailed stop loss. Nice. Cool. How about you? Good, bro. I'm doing decent. Super good. Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on that fucking light today. Oh, yes. But yeah, you guys, I think we're going to react to all of the edits on next week. So make sure to get those in. Free 25K account, bro. We're going to check those out in front of absolutely everyone. Dude, also, in my footage of the day in the life, I actually bring out my gimbal to record on the mountain of me like doing a run. Man, like, I tried to go a little bit slow just because I don't want to wreck like camera equipment that I fucking got yesterday or like a day ago when I was recording that video. Man, I know I was going a little bit slow, but it looks like I'm fucking crawling in the video footage. Like it looks like I'm a bum. Like this is my second day snowboarding or something. It was cooked. Can I send my edit somewhere else since it's too big? Lip biting emoji. Yeah, send them to YouTube, bro. No, send Shanks to YouTube. Don't send that. All right. Fuck, bro. So cooked. That's a crazy gift, dude. All right. First fair value gap is now being tested. Let's see what happens. First made FEG. Yo, MES. What the meme coin, bro? What is this? What the fuck? The meme coin. What the heck? Okay, Jets, I would really like this. Our daily fair value gap, in my opinion, is a very strong draw. Maybe our strongest. In my opinion. I don't know. We'll see what happens after taking a London session high. Do we completely inverse this or what? Was this a nice just little push to get the remaining orders that we need to fill all of this? The void. Asia and London session low. Yo, what the hell? It's Howard. Come here, Howard. Come on. Always on the bed. Hey. Yo, it's Howard, you guys. Hey. I have 300 drawdown out of 2K. Yo, that's all right. We going long? Don't you trade Forex? I do not trade Forex. I used to, but not anymore. Yeah. 10 months ago, we changed from Forex to futures. Craziest story to why we did that as well. Because I first started WesleyTrades and I saw everyone buying these top step accounts, right? And I didn't really know what prop firms were. So I was kind of diving into the rabbit hole once I first got into trading. or first got into content creation, pardon me. And yeah, I switched to futures, or I was forced to, because I thought once you bought a Top Step account, you could just like choose any pair, choose any futures, like gold, anything like that, and just trade whatever you wanted on Top Step. I bought that account, and unfortunately, I had to completely make my switch over to futures because Forex is not supported, obviously, on Top Step. So I love the futures switching story. Dude, it's cooked. It's so cooked, bro. I'm such an idiot for it. But in the interim, WesleyTrades was born, bro. D's. Do you not do your research? All right, chill, jet. The true story is me and Wes rug pulled meme coins, then got into drugs to launder the money and move futures for a better cover story. Unk. What are we looking for today, Wes Bias? I kind of like this daily fair value gap. This is also previous day high. What about swing? Like swing trading? I'm a fan of swing trading, but I just don't like. I'm an intraday trader. Like I'm a day trader, right? So yeah, I'm a continuation day trader. How much money is needed to hit the target? It's been almost 2 weeks, right? Yeah, we did. We passed that account. This is an XFA now. You could learn trading afresh. How would you do it? Okay, that's a good question. If I were to learn trading fresh, like there's no WTHQ, there's like all I have is my phone and my computer. What I would do is probably I would just search up what is the stock market, and then from there I would search up like how does it move, because I think that's the most important thing to understand trading is understanding what happens in a candle, right? Like, do all of you guys know what moves a candle, like why candles are moving, right? It's a good thing to look up stuff like that. Look up WesleyTrades videos. All right. Full port Bitcoin shorts. Yeah. Are you full-time? Not full-time trader. Soon, Jet. Soon. Take profits. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah, H. Super decent. Wes, do you have any days where you don't take a trade based on your chart analysis? Yeah, I do. Maybe not so much anymore, but back when we were super strict with CE entry model, I was. Yeah. There'd be a lot of days where I didn't trade, actually. Is TJR's bootcamp worth watching as a beginner learner? I would say, yeah. Honestly, I think it is. There's some very, I think, okay, a lot of people come asking me, they're like, what should I watch? Should I watch ICT mentorship? Should I watch TJR? Like, dude, fucking watch whatever you want, man. Like, all you need is a video kind of telling you what the blueprint of trading is, a video of explaining maybe what the chart is, what happens inside a candle. You guys don't need to watch 100,000 fucking videos, okay? Watch a few videos and dive into the rabbit hole yourself, bro. Nobody's gonna force feed you this knowledge. Like, you gotta work for it. But it's out there for free. So if you're don't take the fucking short road out and buy a course, bro. Don't do that. There's a lot of people out in this trading space, which actually sucks to say, because it's the space that I'm in as well, that will fucking scam you out of a course or an indicator set, or it's just it's so dumb, bro. Like this industry like the trading content creation niche / industry, there's so many people out there that just want your money for like from a mentorship, from a course. You know what I mean? Because it's the easy way out for them. And just like I'm in Trading said, bro, on that YouTube video, if they were an actual profitable trader, they would be flaunting the cars, the money, and the mansions before selling fucking courses, bro. And I couldn't agree with that more. $5K for a PDF? Yeah, seriously, that's cooked. So cooked. Your inspiration. Your inspiration? Are you asking like what's my inspiration? Close the door. Like what's my inspiration? Or what do you mean? Wes, how old are you and do you go to college? I am 23 years old. I just turned 23 on the 14th, so 2 days ago. And I'm a college dropout. I dropped out probably 6 months ago. Okay, we got some movement to the upside here. Oh shit, we got a cat in the room now too. What the fuck? Good candle close. We also inverse this 1 minute. You guys, if we get one more continuation good candle close here, I think I'd honestly be I think I'm honestly okay with entering here. 23-year-old is a good year, man. Let's go. Yeah, I'm pumped. Michael Jordan. Happy birthday. Thanks, bro. I've been getting happy birthday messages for like the last 4 days. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Fuck college. Dude, I was just so frustrated. Happy birthday, Wes, dude. Thank you. I was just so frustrated with the teachers that were in my class because like I spent more time deciphering what the fuck they were saying than actually doing work, bro. Because man, I'm not singling this dude out, but this guy was from I believe he was from Kenya. Great dude. He like you just didn't understand what the fuck he was saying. His first name was Adabuwale, bro. Let me just give you that. So I'm sure you can maybe kind of guess on how he was speaking. It was insane. Like it was so frustrating, bro, when you're in accounting and he's like, what I mean is this. What I mean is like, bro, whoa. I did not sign up for an enchantment table course on like a fucking course on how to speak Minecraft enchantment table. Like chill. Okay, we get an entry here. Nah, I actually got so frustrated one day and I was so fed up. And WesleyTrades was actually kind of just starting to get going. I was just like, fuck it, bro. Like, this guy's never owned a business in his life, and he's teaching me business courses. None of these motherfuckers own a business. They're getting their shit ran from... Oh, hold on here. Okay, this has got to go under this fair value gap. They're getting their pockets ran by the school. It's cooked. Anyway, I just got fed up, bro. Just got fed up. There goes your PR. I'm from Kenya. Brand deals out the window. Yo. I need to learn how to use those limits. They're actually super easy. Yo, thanks, H. I dropped out at about 15 months ago. Multiple payouts, so worth it. Super decent. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Do you know about EOB? Not so much. H4 open in a minute. Let's go, Jits. I just made 2.5 R and I am less than one trade from passing my eval. Let's go, bro. That's huge. Bro, I blew my account. How do I bounce back? Blue XFA last week. Take your time, bro. Write on something that you can see that there's going to be a chart tomorrow. There's going to be a chart in a week from now. There's going to be a chart a year from now. Oh shit. Oh my god, this cat's loud as shit. Yo, H, bro, with a donation. Help me congratulate the boss. Happy B-Day, Wes. Dude, thanks, Chip. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you, yo. Yeah. W donation. Let's go. Dude, where are you guys getting these fucking cat gifts from? Yo. 20 people over in YouTube. What's up, Jits? And 26 people in Discord. Yo, the cat is fucking fiddling with my cords, bro. Get out of here. No, come here. Shit, unreal. Tell your cat I say pss, pss, pss. Yo, why are we yeah. Happy birthday to the lip guy. Absolutely love. What's up, T-Coff? T-Coffee, yo. Who said we could just spam cat gifts? Yo, this cat is playing with a fucking box right now. Chill, chill, chill. And now I gotta let her out. Doesn't want in here. Oh. Yerm, yerm. I love that you're not even stressing during the trades. Dude, what is there to stress about, though? If you stress about a trade, dude, you're actually, like, not saying that that's bad, but it's a bad habit. It's a bad thing to get used to. As soon as you stress over a trade, like you should be able to do all of your analysis, take the trade, set and forget, bro. Yeah, and maybe that's like easier said than done, setting and forgetting, but like I try to do the best I can. Fuck me, bro. This light went out behind us. That's so annoying. Let's go. If it hit takes profit, it takes profit. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. Whether you stress or not. Seriously, it's gonna do whatever. Stressing means you're not sure about it and you're just gambling. Valid. He is always high while trading. No stress, only fun. Seriously, bro. Stressing isn't fun. Stressing ain't fun, bro. Okay, we have a 70-point take profit, 58-point stop loss. Stop loss. You can react and have emotions, but what you do after is something you can control. Absolutely. Just admitted to getting high off your own supply. Cooked. Sell us a course, bro. I definitely buy it. That's one thing I'm never going to do, bro. I'm not going to sell you guys a course ever. Did you get a new chair? No, I did not. This thing's still garbage. Oh. Wes, you guys will not believe me. This London trade today was exactly the same as last week on Monday, the 9th of March, 2026. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's go. Let's go. This is why we trade. Buy my course, Wes. Yo, I haven't seen that picture in a minute. Yo, what a picture, bro. This is why we trade. You guys know who I'm referring to there? Nah, I will never sell you guys, of course. That's the lowest of the low, in my opinion. Like, come on. Yo, I'm back. We're almost in the same trade. Let's go. And I'm feeling now. You guys, I'm so excited to post. I'm so excited here. Hold on. I gotta open up DaVinci Resolve because I want to show Discord as well. I'm so excited to post this video, you guys. It's taken me so long. I've had to change mic settings. I've had to change camera settings, color. I've added just like an overlay for the time of what it is throughout the day. And then I've had to deal with one thing that I actually, like it's my fault. The camera, or no, the mic sometimes wasn't fully plugged into my phone. And I didn't know like what it would do, indicating. Here it is. Let's go. It's a 10-minute video. It's 11 minutes. It's 11 minutes. But it's gonna be gas, you guys. I've done all of the like major chopping for it. Here's day in the life one. Done all the major chopping for it. Added the overlay. Right, it's actually sick as fuck. I'm so excited for you guys to see it, bro. I'm so like this is without a doubt my the video I had the most fun recording for sure. What's your PC specs, Wes? My PC specs, I have a 4060 Ti for a GPU. I have a 760K for GPU, or no, CPU. I have 750 watt power supply. I have coolant. I have a liquid cooler on my CPU as well. I don't know what kind of motherboard I have. But I mean, yeah, that's kind of it. 64 gigs of RAM. Pretty decent. I've spent so much fucking money on this thing. Like I built this over the course of what? When did I get it? When I was 18. No. When I was 19 or 20. Right around then. 19 or 20. It's probably a black one. It is a black one. So game on it for show, bro. Oh yeah. I do game on it. It's probably a black one. That is insane you say that. Cause it is. But yeah, looking forward to the vlog. Let's go, bro. I think I'm gonna release it today. I wanna try to post it today. But I bought the shell and kind of all the parts for the PC from this old Asian man. He was like, yeah, I don't need it anymore. My son built it for me and my wife wants me to get rid of it. I was like, sweet. $400. Bought it off him. Then there was some garbage. It was like a 560T or something GPU in it. And the pipe was like rusted. And I was like, bruh, I need a new GPU in this cunt because it can't even run Minecraft. There's a cat playing with something outside. But so I threw the 4060 Ti in there, which ran me like maybe like $650 at the time. And then after that, added another stick of RAM, threw in a bigger power supply because after that, like I legit could not turn on my computer because I didn't have enough power. And then, yeah, over time, just the little things. I always make sure to clean my computer. Like I actually take fucking good care of this thing. Because if you don't, bro, It's pretty much like throwing money out the window. If you do not take care of your computer properly, it's just gonna fucking like snowball and blow up. Well, it's not gonna, you know what I'm saying. How is your glasses? Dude, I actually love these things, bro. Okay, so I'm actually not blind. I'm not blind, okay? I have really good vision. But I stare at a computer so much. That I need like blue light glasses, right? Because it actually strains my eyes. Here comes the promo W ad. Yo, okay, this is not a promo, bro. But go get yourself some blue light glasses, dude. They legit help you from like just not straining your eyes so much. They help me so much. When I first started WesleyTrades, I did not have any glasses whatsoever. And I was sitting there just staring at a screen. And I would come out of the office after I don't know. I would come out of the office probably like, dude, back when I first started trading, I'd be in the office for like 4 hours in the day. I would come out of the office and like my eyes would be like bloodshot. And you know when you get eye strain and like you move your eyes side to side and it fucking hurts? That's what I was dealing with like every day. So I was like, okay, I gotta do something. We ain't buying the glasses, Wes. Yo, fuck you guys. Where do I get them? I got them at Staples in Canada. I don't know if that's a store everywhere. Wesley glasses. Yo. Cooked. How much was it? Man, I don't know. These things were like what? What were they? I don't know. $40, I think. 30 some. But they're these glasses. Wes has just one. Yeah, I made these glasses myself. I made them. Get into sales, Wes. Get into sales and sell what? Yo, lip course. Sell the glasses. What? Whoa. That was a misclick. What? Can you explain why you took longs right here? Yes. Okay. So my main draw on liquidity is this daily fair value gap, which is also a previous day high. So boom, automatically I'm looking to take a long and I'm waiting for my bias to align with my draw on liquidity, right? So open up. We can take a look at market open. We see our first fair value gap created is this zone right here. We react off CE, get a good candle close. We react off of it one more time, and we close above these highs, not just wicking above them. If that makes sense. We get a good, strong body candle close. We enter, stop loss below this fair value gap, take profit at our draw on liquidity. That's one thing that I've done recently, which like is so stubborn, is my take profit. My take profit is at my drawn liquidity, which like constructed my trade from the start. Right? I'm no longer trailing my stops to try to catch the full move. Like I understand people do that, and like I'm not hating on trailing. It's just me personally, I get in a little bit of a gambler mindset whenever I trail my stop. I'm like, damn, I could have made way more if I trailed my stop here. I could have like saved myself a lot of money if like I did not trail my stop. You know what I mean? It's a dangerous way for me to think. So me personally, I can't really handle trailing my stops. I tend to do it every single time. So I'm just going to target base hits. That's what I'm going to do. Bro, how do you stay motivated? Jit, you want to be honest, bro? Like a lot of days I'm not motivated. I'm not. Yes, last week I would say I was super motivated. The week before and the week before that, both of those weeks, man, I wanted to fucking just not. I didn't want to turn on the camera. But the thing is, dude, I get on here every single day, and honestly, you fake it till you make it. That goes like with emotions as well. Like I can sit here and feel like shit, but as long as I portray myself that, like, you know what, my mental's good. I'm here taking one trade a day. You guys are like, I'm just here to talk with you guys. Like it's consistency over motivation. That's what I'm trying to say. Like motivation will only get you so far. Like that's I started this. I started WesleyTrades off motivation, but to get to where I am today is only because I've been consistent. Right? I could have gone to Vegas if I trailed that stop. I feel ya. Yeah, seriously. That's so true. Explain what trailing stop means, bro. Okay, so trailing stop, real quick. So if I take a 1-to-1 trade here and price is doing pretty good. Price is doing pretty good and it's like right here. And it's about to hit or take profit. Trailing stop means that I will trail my take profit, or I guess it's, say for example, you shoot for the moon and you have like a crazy take profit and price gets to like up here. I am now going to trail my stop loss in profit. So like here, and I'm not going to let it hit my take profit. So as it continues to go up, like say it goes up even a little bit further, right? I'm going to continue to trail my stop in profit. So like I don't risk what I've already gained. You know what I mean? So I tend to do this a lot. And so for example, I take a 1-to-1. I take a 1-to-1 like this. And then I try to trail my stop, right? We get to like right here. I try to trail my stop and then move my stop loss to break even, right? And set it way up here. And it just comes back down, stops me out. So that's why I didn't really like it. Okay. Okay. These. But you guys, it's taken me a long time. It's taken me a very long time to, and I wouldn't even say I've mastered my emotions. I feel like it's taken me a long time to just be conscious of my emotions when I'm trading. You know what I mean? Like it's so easy to get on the charts and then have something happen. You're like, that's just a part of trading, right? Like to an extent it is, yeah, for sure. But the way you react, the way you react is more important every single time, bro. This is a very good sign right here. W inverse. Do you know the percent of blue light in the glasses? Here, let's actually take a look. They are, I don't know. I don't know. Jit, why you quizzing me, bro? I don't know the percent of blue light in these fuckers. Hold on, let me see for you. Yo, but the frames are made from 100% recycled PCTG material. Don't know what the fuck that means. Dude, it's just talking about a bunch of bullshit on the box, bro. Minimize sleep deprivation. Regulates circadian rhythm. What's circadian rhythm? L affiliate. Yo, W free course. Is your take profit at the previous day high? Yes. Based off of what an entry is, I was going to go for a few minutes, but the same trade only earlier. Dece. The company CEO in chat asking for blue light percentage. W promo. Yeah. L affiliate. I'm honestly starting to believe that Wes is an AI bot. He replies to everything. Dude, I try to reply to everyone, yo. Drake song? What the heck? Yeah, Gray Matter, if you're watching, if you're a CEO, onboard me as an affiliate and send me infinite pairs of glasses, please. I love the glasses. Circadian rhythm. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. What's a circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm. Is that how you spell it? Yeah, not even close. A body's internal 24-hour clock residing in the brain and regulating cycles of alertness, sleepiness, digestion, and hormone release based on light-dark cues. Oh, okay. I did not know what that was. It's like the sleep schedule, I think. It's like your body's 24-hour clock. That makes sense. Before you started streaming, what were you doing during trades? Sitting on my chair playing Clash Royale. Next question. Yo. Boys, I am actually so fucking pumped. Nah! Shut up, yo. Where did you get this picture? I thought I didn't post this. Yo, my bad, bro. My bad. Shut the fuck up. That is so sick. Greta. Yeah. A month ago, I was on a 5.5k balance a day from a payout and blew it. Now in a cycle of passing and blowing accounts. Happens, yo. Boys, that's actually so drip. I'm adding that picture to my computer. That's so drip. What should we name it? Wes Ski Drip. Wes Ski Drip. As fuck. As fuck. Wes Ski Drip as fuck. WesleyTrades. What's with his teeth, bro? What the heck? Do you know which shape of glasses match your face? Or just randomly pick it? Yo, okay. That. Oh, sorry. I do not know what shape of glasses fit my face. What is YouTube chat, yo? How can you blow your account after reaching 5k of profit? Does the drawdown follow the profit or what? So most prop firms, I don't know what prop firm you use there, but most prop firms will, as soon as you get to a certain amount of drawdown, it will stay at your starting price. So say, for example, it's a $50,000 account and your drawdown is 4%. So it's $2,000, right? If you get to $52,000, your drawdown will go to 50 and it will stay there, right? Or at least I know that happens for Alpha Futures. So say, for example, I get this account to 53,000, right? It will still stay at 50,000 because the drawdown can only go as far as the starting balance. If that makes sense. But yeah, I'm not sure how he blew in 5k profit. All right, Mr. Timothy. Yo, we got a fuck Discord over on YouTube. What do you guys got to say to that? 27 people in Discord, though. What's up, everyone? It makes it harder. Pause. Fuck YouTube. Big dog, bro. Big dog. Can you explain what CE is again? Yes. Yes. So a fair value gap, you guys know, right? Or any sort of move, say it's a range, say whatever, say it's a wick of a candle. CE is 50% of an imbalance. So I'll show you an example here. Let's go to like the 5-minute. So there is an imbalance right here, right? So there's a bullish fair value gap. So we'll take the top of the candle to the bottom of the third candle. CE is this red ticker across the middle, marking 50%, aka equilibrium. So if we close past equilibrium, it's maybe a little bit of an indicator that that fair value gap is either invalid or yeah. Shat, what's up, Shat? What the fuck? Shat, Shelly. Cooked. Super D's though. Who the fuck named chat? over on YouTube chat, someone typed shat. I assume they're referring to like chat, but just named shat. Shat. Bro. Fucking chop. Yeah, this is actually cooked. This is cooked. Earth. Cooked. How's your guys' weekend though? We have fucking 27 people in here. Holy shit, everyone. What's up? 27 people in Discord and 21 people over on YouTube. What's up, Jits? I did 3 lines. Okay. I'm assuming 3 lines of homework. Nice. Nice. Nice, bro. You fucking academic weapon. Super D's. This is taking so long. No kidding. That's all right, though. Market is eventually going to move wherever it wanted to go in the first place. So I'm not really worried. This is a nice little slow uptrend, too. Like, we've seen market do this a lot, especially on Mondays. We're just mink, 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 mink. Wes, can you put Subway Surfers on the screen somewhere? JJ, you are that brain rot. Yeah. Yo. When I remember that I started learning trading at 16, then okay. Hold on. When I remember that I started learning trading at 16 and then I let go because I was a fucking immature motherfucker. And now I'm 22 trying to get back again. It makes me go crazy. That's actually very valid. Trading will do that to you, make you go crazy for real. When I was a kid, I'm not so much a kid, but like 19, 20 years old, and I was playing hockey like full time. I was losing money trading, like hella money trading. Dude, that sucked. That actually like ate away at the insides of me, bro. Pause. But like, you guys know what I mean. It like sucks. You just think about it all the time. Losing money fucking sucks ass, especially when you're a kid and like $100 is the equivalent to like $1,000 today. So, how much are you net positive on trading? Okay, so this is a good question. I don't know exactly how much I've spent on prop firms, but luckily, IRS in chat, yeah. Alpha Futures has sent me over a few free evals, which props to them. I would say I'm negative for show. I'm negative as of right now for show. It would probably be around the $1,000 mark, $1,000 to $2,000 mark, I'd say. So not too bad, but we'll get there for show. We'll get there for show. Really shitty ability. Yeah. Okay, can we get Slapper in here? Really shilly. No, what feels sucks for me is that I didn't continue. I just stopped learning. I could have been different now. That's so valid. Man, a lot of people I've met, a lot of really successful traders. I ask them like, "Oh, what would you do different, bro?" And so many of them say start earlier. So many. Like, I wish I started earlier. Okay, well, thanks for the fucking advice, buddy. Yo, this is cooked. Hopefully, we react off this for value gap. Chilling though. Been chilling. Gang, I'm 14. I started a bit too early. Yeah, dude. I started right at 17 and it was very hard to start. Number one, because like the amount of information out there was super limited starting off. Number two, like you can't trade underage, right? It's so hard. It's almost impossible. Patience is key to success. Absolutely. Stop that break even. Let's go. I will get the blue light glasses this week. Let's go, Jits. Yo, also, while you guys are at it, getting blue light glasses, make sure to get your prop firm accounts using code WesleyTrades all caps. Wes, is this funded or XFA? XFA. A little shameless plug there. Let's go. Told you to get into sales. Yep. Didn't you pass? Yeah, this is XFA. This is XFA. W plug. Let's go. I wonder how sales would get. How sales would be. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Took an L. See you boys tomorrow. Peace out, bro. Why so high risk? Because fuck it, yo. Because fuck it, yo. Because we're going to get a payout in this thing. Hold on. I got to crack my back. Oh! Yes. Super D's. Wes, would you ever give order flow a try? Absolutely, bro. I would try everything. Because fuck it is valid. Yeah. What's XFA, Wes? XFA stands for Express Funded Accounts, but they wouldn't say EFA because that sounds weird. I will try everything. All right, yo. That's so cooked. That's so cooked. That's so cooked. I will try everything. Bro, why did you just make me jacked as fuck? Let's go. Why didn't you move your stop loss to break even? Because I do like a whatever trade I'm in, bro. I'm not going to move my stop loss or my take profit. Like the analysis I did is the analysis I'm sticking with. What time frame do you look at for CE and for value gap? I look at every time frame. Like my sets of time frames, I use 1 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly. All of those factor into CE. That's discipline, DCO. We're inside of 5 and 15-minute for value gap, and we just get stopped out there. That's all right, Jets. Okay, we're gonna take off this sell order. Yo. Okay. Well, that was a good. Honestly, I'm a fan with taking that trade. We have low time frame SMT with this low here. We got swept on MNQ, does not get swept on ES. Our very first fair value gap, we react off CE and a good close to the upside. So nothing went wrong on this trade, honestly. Like this is good price action for a Monday, if I'm going to be honest. Like again, this reaction off CE, a good candle close. My favorite thing about this trade though is that we get this body to close above this recent high. So that to me, I was automatically like, fuck yeah. Like I want to see a continuation to our draw on liquidity, which is this daily fair value gap, which we target, stops below this fair value gap. And unfortunately we got stopped out, but we gave ourselves a lot of leeway, which was good. So I'm very happy with this trade. Wes, when he visits the States, bro, I will for sure be in a gun range in the States. Catch me in a gun range. Pretty expected for a Monday, not gonna lie. That's not bad. That's decent. I wonder how many signal bots won't show up tomorrow. Yeah, fucking signal bums. They're not signal bots, bro. They're signal bums. They're signal jits. I would take this trade again and again, I think. Bullish bias, high time frame, drawn liquidity with our daily fair value gap. That's all right. Okay, Jets. Well, honestly, I think I'm going to end it relatively soon here. I really want to get this video posted. So yeah, fellas. Still a W? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely, that's a W. Hey, fellas. Yeah, you guys have any questions? Anyone have questions on YouTube? Anyone got questions on Discord? We'll be live tomorrow the exact same time. If you guys need more info on the giveaways, they're in the Discord under the hashtag giveaways tab. Make sure to check it out. You making any more psych videos? Oh, should I? What do you think? You guys, should I make a psych video? What should it be on? I always get caught up on what psych videos I should make. Because me personally, you guys, like, I'm not a master of psychology. I will have you guys know that. I'm not. So, I'm like, psychology videos, I don't really want to say like the wrong things sometimes. But you know what? Again, fuck it. I forgot I was in a second trade and it ended up hitting take profit. Dees. Bro, where can I buy the handsome cream you use? What? The handsome cream. Jit, bro. I aimed for the moon and landed on the moon. That's good enough for me. Dees. L Glaze. Yeah. That's average student, bro. Wes, I want to understand something real quick. Can you explain why you did everything right and then it hit stop loss? What's wrong with the thing here? Okay, so there's nothing wrong with this trade, right? In trading, you have to understand what probabilities are. So the best way I can explain it is by giving you like this analogy that my buddy gave me, who's never traded in his life before. And I've told you guys a lot of this, or I've told you guys this a lot. So I was sitting on the couch one day with my buddy and he was asking questions about trading. And he was like, so like, what is trading exactly? And I was like, oh, it's like probabilities, you know, like sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but you shoot for the most probable outcome. And he's like, oh, so like the weather. And I was like, bro, it is exactly like the weather, because you can stand outside, right? And from the experience that you've had looking up at the clouds, today you can tell that by the certain color of the clouds or by how many there are, that there is a good chance of it raining, right? So you place a bet on that it will rain today before it becomes sunny again, right? So you enter in a trade. Sometimes it will rain. Sometimes it'll rain like fucking crazy, but sometimes it won't trade, or sometimes it won't rain, right? And that's the land of probability. Like, it's not going to happen with 100% certainty. That's also why there's no trading strategy that has a 100% win rate, because the markets are going to do whatever it wants, right? Like right here, if I were to do it in like the weather analogy, I would see this fair value gap and I'd see it react off CE and I'd be like, damn, there are some hella gray clouds outside, right? We see another good candle close above the high of this candle here. I'm like, damn, it's like I'm starting to hear thunder in the background. Maybe it's getting a little bit colder. Maybe it's like blowing wind around. You know what I mean? So I enter a trade betting on that there will be rain before the sun comes up, right? Unfortunately, the sun comes up before it rains, and you can't do anything about that, right? It's probability, you guys. What do you want me to do? Fucking become Weather Channel and one like fucking Mother Nature, bro? You can't become Mother Nature. The charts are Mother Nature. It's going to do whatever it wants. Crazy explanation. Love it, dude. Let's go. Me and fucking rights. W psych. Deast Jit. Let's go. Ang trades. You still taking any more trades? No, Jit. No, Jit. All probability based on a strategy we created based on moves made in the past. Very true, bro. All based off of experience that you've had in the market. Like if someone were to get on here and try to look for signs of it going to rain and they've never looked up at the sky before, do you think they're going to make good predictions? Nah. Know what I mean? Gotta have experience with looking up in the sky, bro. With looking at the clouds. You're like, oh, that's a fake out cloud. It looks like it's going to rain, but that's definitely, there's no rain in that cloud. And you watch it pass by and it doesn't rain, bro. Sell weather courses? Yo. I might have to sell spelling courses, JJ. Yo, that's funny. Smack GC last night started at minus 1,500 and GC paid 3,600. Minus 1,500 twice and recovered. Dees, bro. Fuck you, Wes. That's funny, bro. Okay, Jets. Well, I honestly think that's it for me today. And then, yeah. W day, honestly, fellas. I think we're going to be live at the exact same time tomorrow. So, weather LARPing. So weather experts are also traders. Yes. Yo, did you know that if you were a weatherman, you're automatically in the lands of becoming a profitable trader? Fuck it, I'm applying right now. Okay, Jits. Well, that's all for today. Thank you guys very much for popping in. I will see you guys tomorrow at the exact same time. And yeah, we'll take a banger. But yeah, blaming the weather for today's price action. Exactly, bro. That's all you gotta do. See it, drop the vlog, Jet. Okay, yes, you guys, be ready for the vlog. I'm going to fucking post it today. I don't care. I'm gonna sit my ass in this chair and get it done. Okay, fellas, I will talk to you guys later. See you tomorrow. Peace out, Jets. We're gonna end a YouTube stream right here. Boom. Just like so.